Good morning guys, welcome to the vlog, welcome to Tuesday. I think I should start the vlog in a different way today because look, they're still here. Yeah, starting before they go to school this morning. So hello.
Morning.
As you can see, Sammy's on his device again. He can never get removed from his device, can he, Cheryl? I guess we can all talk, we love our devices, don't we?
We do, but the thing is, rather than be on there sometimes on the PlayStation or the Xbox, you know what I mean? Because I think Ben's getting to the point now where someone's always on there and then gets fed up with it being on.
Yeah. The thing is, guys, imagine what it was like when, me and Cheryl were younger. You know, a lot of people will say this, you know, that, well, what did we have when we were growing up? We didn't have tablets, did we, or devices, did we?
All we had was full-blown boring channels, remember?
Yeah, and we used to go outside and...
We used to go outside and play in the streets and stuff, but obviously you can't do that now because obviously you don't know. I want kids playing outside the front.
No.
They do go out the back sometimes in the summer, they don't in play, so...
Yeah, anyway, that's the way of technology these days then, guys. We all know that, what it's like. What would we do without it? That's the problem, I tell you. I bet not a lot of us could survive without technology for a few days.
No. Maybe we should have a technology ban, see what happens.
Yeah, technology ban vlog. Yeah, how can that work when you're trying to stay away from the... Anyway, guys, today I'll let you know as soon as I've gone to school. Okay, I'll see you in a bit.
So yes, the boys have just gone off to school, haven't they? Yeah. Tell you what, it was nice to see Ben happy this morning. He was actually laughing at Peppa Pig. Can't believe he started to like Peppa Pig, can you, Ben?
Yeah, well, he always liked watching Peppa Pig, didn't he?
He has, I think, because Sammy's always watched it. Obviously Sammy's too old for it now, he doesn't really watch it that much now. But I mean, this is the first time Ben's actually reacted to Peppa Pig, and I mean, he's watched it, but it was like I said, it was lovely to see him smile. Yeah, so now we're just heading off to the gym for a little bit, and then off to B&M. So I just got back from the gym. There's a nice parcel here for me from Merlin Magic Wand. So it sounds like...
It sounds like Maltesers, doesn't it?
It does. It sounds like there's some pops in here. So I'm going to wait. Hang on. I need to wait on it.
Oh, I can't get rid of this cough, guys.
Oh no. It's got onto your chest, hasn't it? Hang on, you get some scissors because the thing's gone funny.
I'll get some scissors from the drawer.
Give me some scissors from the drawer.
Yeah.
What's in here?
Here's Maltesers.
Hey, you've got some Maltesers. Oh wow! Oh wow! Look at those little pops. You too what Sam be happy.
Has he got those ones?
He hasn't got these ones. Oh, what's in that one? It's a breakfast with the seals one. Remember we had to feed the seals?
Alright.
Oh wow! You'll be happy with those.
Where's it actually come from?
I don't know. I haven't got a clue. I don't know. It's got what it said was from Merlin's Magic Wands on the thing.
Alright.
Oh well. Thank you very much, Merlin Magic Wand. I know Sam would be happy with his pops.
Alright.
And Ben would be happy with his Maltesers.
Yeah, strange one,
You
guys.
can see now we're at B&M and I'm coming off the road, don't worry. See what there is. One thing I like about these trolleys now, you don't have to pay for them anymore, do you? Shall I get some little plants in? Some pansies. I think it's a bit cold at me, you've still got the rest of the frost and stuff in here, haven't you? There you go. That's not... People want trampoline, that's a good damn trampoline, look darling. 8-foot trampoline enclosure for 50 quid. So the things the kids got there, haven't they? So we're picking up some things for the toilet.
Upstairs.
Yeah, I know. Because obviously... What's Dettol?
Antiseptic.
It's on, yeah.
I can't even pronounce it.
Chloronel, something, that one. It's in these. The things, the washing machine cleaners and stuff like that. Don't know if they'll be any good for ours. That's $2.99. It's not too bad though, actually.
How do you do this then?
I don't know. I think it just goes in. I think.
Just pour it into the...
I think so. I don't know. We'll get one anyway. That's how it goes. No twinings. No twinings, ding.
Need need some more tea bags, don't
I know I need some. I want to see some Twinings.
we?
Oh, not bad actually. £2 for 80. No, 160 for the price of 80. Look.
Get that box in.
I'm gonna get a box of those. £2, Debbie, alright, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Sit those in. That's one good thing. That'd be nice. Come in here. We can do some look around without the kids. Don't get Ben some of those. They're on offer actually. Only three for £2.
Right, because I'm not eating Chris now. He's got all them other ones to finish because they've not got wheat and he can have them.
I say, okay, they ain't got no wheat and you can have those. That I do love. These are lovely. They're fruit wine. We dropped them on the floor. The fruit winers are good, aren't they? I do like those, but they're quite
393 calories per roll.
big. So £1.29, not too bad actually, are they? What are these? Mother's Day, 31st of March. Some nice presents here.
31st of March, no.
Yeah, 31st of March. Yeah, 31st of March. It's late this year, isn't it? I thought it was always like the 26th of March. Oh well, that's a nice little cup. It's got there, take me to the moon and back. I love you. These are quite nice little glitter globe things. They wind up. No, they don't. Those ones. And obviously, then got some smelly handles. And then got like the little travel mugs, like Beautiful Mummy. Ah, these are quite nice. These little Disney Dumbo mugs. And here, we've got here like little breakfast sets are quite cute. Stephen's getting Sammy some jellies. What are they on offer? 3 for £1, aren't they? Yeah, 3 for £1. Not too bad. Because obviously he needs packed lunch tomorrow because they've got curry at school again. You want to eat curry? So those little rainbow drops, little unicorn things.
Yeah.
Very neat. £1.39. Little things on there. Obviously here you got all the Valentine's Day things as well. Little noodle set. These are quite cute. These little pizza plate things, look.
Yeah.
I've got these little egg cups. Here's and hers egg cups. Only a £5. Can I have some of those? I want some of those. Put some of those in for me. I don't care. I love Lucky Charms. They're really nice. Oh, these are big packets, aren't they? That's only 3 in the packet though. That's a big box.
For only £2.
It's just 36 servings. One thing I like about Kellogg's now is you can see they're slowly but surely putting the traffic lights on their
30 gram scenario again.
Yeah, I know. It's nice to see the traffic lights on them though. Looks like it, doesn't it? Because being honest with you, when you get a normal one like that to one like that, you know what I mean? They're more easier to read than those ones, I think. I'm going to get for Ben. I'm going to get him a couple of these coconut macaroon things. He loves these, doesn't he? These things. So we'll get a packet of those. I also got here normal rice cakes. Only 4. What's that? Oh, the double. Are they 4 for £1? I think they are actually. And then got a price on these ones. So I do love these. These are really, really nice. But fortunately, I'm not allowed with the diet. Well, I found some croissants. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. So it's having to go to Tesco's for Sammy, wasn't it? So one thing we do normally buy also.
These are
what?
Just found. It looks green on the.
The green on the packet. I think they're just like a little snack type thing. They're like the pot noodles and stuff.
Oh, that's just saying half a packet. How can you have half a packet?
I know. So we do buy normally. They're only £1. Obviously they've only got this one left. We normally buy these little pasta pots, and they're ideal actually, aren't they? For sticking in the microwave for a little snack. And as you can see, they're all in the green apart from the salt, which is in the orange. So they're pretty healthy, really.
Seeds are coming in then.
Yeah, no, not too bad actually. On the 3 for the price of 2.
It's these are that, and that's onion.
That's not onion. Oh, it's onion. That looks like a leek.
It does look like a leek, doesn't it?
It's like a leek actually.
It's a spring onion.
Spring onion, yeah.
Mm.
Well, the thing is, isn't leek part of the
3 for 2.
Yeah, I say, isn't leek part of the onion family anyway, isn't it?
Mm. So I'm gonna start getting some of these and start potting the window up.
Yeah, do that now. Get some of those.
They're the ones we normally have.
They're climbing beans, yeah. Don't forget last year our own beans didn't go very well, did they? Because of the summer we had. Here's the flowers. They're quite pretty, don't they?
Okay, yeah.
Get one of those. There you go. They look quite pretty, don't they, those ones? And those ones do.
Oh, it's broad bean you have, isn't it? Is it broad bean?
No, it's runner beans we have.
Runner bean. It's climbing beans. What's the difference?
I don't know. They've got any pumpkin seeds here?
That's leek.
That's leek, yeah. So put that one back. You don't want that onion one, do you? Put that one back. Have they got any pumpkin ones here? Because we kept our pumpkin seeds, but they've gone all mouldy for some reason when I looked at them the other day. Tomatoes.
I won't grow sweet corn because that went funny.
That went funny last time, didn't it?
I might try tomatoes again.
Yeah, try some tomatoes again.
Tomatoes.
They're going to sit now, isn't it, I think, on here. They're cabbage, beetroot, broad bean, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, sage. So yeah. There you go. Don't try growing some of these. Round butternut squash.
Yeah.
Good guys.
So indoors at the start of the year and then put out in April.
Okay. Give us one thing we're going to get for our furry baby. We're going to get him some of this dandelion herbal salad stuff. He absolutely loves this stuff, doesn't he?
Yeah, you see that for a cat, it can groom itself. Look. A brush thing.
Oh wow, that's different. So get him that and done, that's fine. See what they have got these actually, little corn things. I don't know if they like those or not, because he's quite fussy, our rabbit, isn't he? Little aquarium kits are quite good, like little fish tank and the pump for $12.99, but I think fish are boring, they don't do nothing, do they? And also got all that. This is pretty cool for a cat. That little, I thought it's a dog toy. I thought it was a toy for a cat. What?
It's a dog toy.
Yeah, squeaky toy, Zach. So that's a good offer actually, isn't it? 52 washes for £9.49. I don't need some actually, I've got plenty at the minute.
Yeah.
And even, that's a good offer, look. Even the Ariel is 24 washes for £4. What about the fairy? Is that fairy? Oh yeah, that's not bad actually. £7 for 83 washes. And then all stuff down there. That's only a £5. These are different, the surf things. So yeah, so in B&M they got these little surprise fleece blankets. Tell you what, I haven't got gills, aren't you?
Yeah.
Because of these blankets, these things. I believe these are really popular for girls. And look at these little pom-pom. These are quite cute for £6, aren't they? These little things.
The LOL things, are they still quite popular?
Yeah, they are really popular. Yeah, really popular.
Sometimes the smallest things take up the most of the room. That says it. Oh, look, it's in the way.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. Well, yeah. I do like these kitchen stickers. Well, I say it's not bad actually for £4.
They got bigger, is it, Nick?
That's a big one. That's got bigger.
You're going to hit that flying, ain't you, with that?
Oh, that'd be quite funny, wouldn't they, these things?
Yeah.
It was not bad actually for £4. Bug zapper.
Bigger one, isn't it?
It is really big actually.
These canvas prints are nice.
Yeah, the canvas prints are really nice, aren't they?
New ones, aren't they?
They're pretty.
I like that London one.
Oh well, no, Sam would love that London one, wouldn't he, his bedroom? Sam's got a thing for London at the minute.
It's £25 that.
It's a bit expensive, but then again, see, if you put that in Sammy's room, it'll probably take up all of his room because he's such a box room anyway.
Nice to live in that would.
Things like that, look, you can see the cellophane is open there, so. And I got loads of them behind. I like what it says on here. Some days you have to create your own sunshine. That's a good one actually. How much in there?
£1 for £10.
£1 for 10.
Yeah.
But then again,
But they ain't got much growing room in them things, have
they
they?
haven't actually.
At least you can get them in these.
Get some, yeah, get 2 lots of those. Yeah, 2 lots of those. That'd be a good thing actually. What about those things there? You've got 24 in here. These ones are quite.
No, but I don't know the single ones. They're pretty abundant in them.
They are actually, aren't they? So yeah, so we're just heading down to the garden section now. See what there is. So it's getting towards spring and you see all the garden and stuff in, can't you? So what's down here?
We'd seen this stuff again, isn't
It does actually. Little, okay, pest repellent. Maybe we should get that from out of cats and stuff we get in the garden.
It's £10, that is.
It's expensive, isn't it? Okay, don't get some of those then. So we know what are in these ones. Get the ones with the pretty pretty colours.
Yeah.
These little windmills look quite cute. Look, little bug. And a little ladybird, only £2. Probably get one. So what I'll do is let Ben choose one of these, because Ben's one more broke, didn't it, in that storm he had the other day. Yeah. So yeah, so they've got quite a few of the pops in here. Who's that one? So that's Mortal Kombat, whoever that is. Star Wars. I don't know what is fascination people find with these pops, you know?
Yeah, the thing is, they like them stored in their boxes, don't they?
They do actually.
Yeah.
And see, they've also got some Harry Potter figures down here as well. Yeah. They look quite different, don't they, these ones? Got Hermione, Harry, Ginny Weasley, Dumbledore. How do you pronounce her name? Minerva McGull, whoever that is. And then who's got down here as well? I think they're just the same. Well, shut up, stop it! And then you've also got the Harry Potter wand as well. That's only $24.99 there, that is. Oh no, Ben likes those. Okay, that's Ben to chew. Is it one of those ones that makes a noise? 12 pipe. No, it's not, is it?
What do you do with it?
I don't know what you do with it. So yeah, she just coming back from B&M now. Got quite a few bits as well, didn't we? It's good.
That place was in a mess.
It was so messy. It's the first time I've seen it messy actually there. Had a few empty shelves as well. I think because they're transitioning, aren't they, from getting rid of their Christmas stuff to their garden and stuff.
A lot of the shelves were just like, everything was like...
It was really messy. No, it's really quiet in there as well. Yeah, but we've we managed to get Dan some for his birthday as well. Obviously I haven't shown what I got Dan for his birthday because he watches the vlog, so we were surprised. Let's find out on Saturday, because obviously the 21st behind. So you're gonna go home now and then just chill out for a bit. You're watching the Weather Studio at 1:30.
That's on in a minute.
Yeah, it's on in a minute. Weather Studio, you like Weather Studio, don't you? Pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, so we'll see you later. So yeah, we got back home and I noticed Sammy had his buttons paper from Warwick Castle still in the door. So I said to Stephen, take it out, and then suddenly Stephen like a noise coming up from the tyre. Looks like we've got a slow puncture in the tyre, doesn't it? Yeah. So we're going to take it down now to the tyre warehouse. Hopefully I can get it fixed. I know last time we had a slow puncture, I was able to do something for the inner tyre, weren't they? So it wasn't, we didn't have to pay for a full one. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get it down there in time. God, some more hassle there were. Yeah, so unfortunately we needed the new tyre, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
There's a bit of metal in there because they said if it had been inside the inner tyre they could have fixed it, but fortunately they couldn't. So apparently we got down there just in time, which is great. So yeah, so fortunately now shopping.
Now I feel like I'm on a proper feel with a car.
That makes sense. Yeah, so unfortunately our shopping trip from B&M to worked out a bit expensive. But obviously you need the tyres of the car, we need the car, so simple as really. So yep, so hopefully we can go home now and put the shopping away.
Well then guys, it's now just nearly 5 to 4. The boys will be home very soon from school, won't they, Cheryl?
They will do, yeah.
Yeah, guys, take a look at a product review we've done on this. It's the first of a new series of stuff we're going to be doing on the channel as well. Yeah, this video is now up on the channel, so go check it out. And yeah, they'll be on their way home in just a moment, and hopefully they've had a good day, and hopefully Ben's had a good day and in a good mood. And yeah, that was fun and games this afternoon with the tyre and all that. I didn't expect that. It's amazing what, you know, all of a sudden, you know, I got out of the car and heard this hissing noise. I thought, what the heck is that?
I know.
And then it was the driver's side back one, which was having air coming out of it. So Cheryl goes to me, come on, let's rush down to the tyre warehouse, yeah, and plug for the tyre warehouse in Brackley. Yeah, the tyre warehouse in Brackley, yeah, and yeah, they changed it for me. It cost 59 quid for a new tyre, but they couldn't repair it because it had like a sharp edge bit of a metal that went through it and it tore a hole in it, so I was lucky to get it down there in time, so which is crazy.
Just got it down in time, didn't we?
Yeah, so I don't know where that came from, but you know, these roads should be basically have road sweepers go up and down, shouldn't they?
They should do. Thing is, we're coming to Brackley. Don't forget they're building all that, the new pub, aren't they, where the new hospital's going, all the new houses. You don't know if any of the deliveries or anything there not pay anything off the road, do you?
Yeah, you could have picked it up anywhere in
You could have
theory.
done, don't we? It's just one of those things, really.
Yeah, guys, so let's see how they are when they come in.
See, the boys are home from school. Ben's gone straight into the kitchen. They're mummies! You've had that? What are you after? Look in your tub. No, you're having no more of those. You've already had one and no more sweeties. Let's see what he does, look. Oh, Ben, look in your tub. There you go, Ben's grabbed his biscuit barrel. Yeah, Ben, you got a surprise in your biscuit barrel. Look, what are you going to go for? Oh, thinking. What are we doing, Ben? Are they nice? Yeah. She's got two.
He looks like he's got laughing.
I know he does.
Yeah.
Is that nice? Had a good day at school? Yeah? They said you didn't have to say at school, didn't they? What about this? What about Mr. Hamster?
I had a good day.
You had a good day? What have you done at school today?
Beautiful phone.
Yeah? How was swimming?
Good go.
Yeah? You swim on your front or your back?
I'm on my back today.
Swim on your back. You prefer swimming on your back, don't you?
Look, check my disc.
We'll probably go swimming on Sunday again. Is that alright? Go to Newport, yeah?
Look, check my disc.
What's up with your disc?
Not working properly.
Probably because you got your dirty fingerprints all over, haven't you?
Yeah, then guys, that brings Tuesday to a close, and yeah, it's starting to get a bit lighter now at night. I know it's dark now, but it didn't get light until, what, 5:15 to 5:30, so slowly getting lighter, so hopefully the spring's on its way. See the old daffodils coming up, haven't we? The old snowdrops are out.
Snowdrops, yeah. You always know, don't you, when it's spring.
Yeah, always know when it's getting close to spring when you see them going up.
You do, don't you? It's watching the Met Office weather studios this afternoon, weren't we? I was on about the spring and things like that. And
Yeah, they reckon we're going to get some quite high temperatures before the end of the week, so it's going to feel quite spring-like. So, but they warn us that next week it might go
the other way.
reverse.
The question is, when it technically is the first day of spring, because
Technically,
the weathermen say it's the first day of spring, it's the first day of March, but you don't put the clocks forward until the 21st of March, which is...
the proper way of saying spring is the 21st, around the 21st of March, that's when it goes.
It does, but why never the weathermen say the 1st of March?
That's
Well, I never...
The weatherman's way of doing it, the
We've got the
meteorological way.
meteorological way, and then there's also the other way, isn't there, as well? So we've got the 3 equal months in each season or something. I do, it's
'cause
crazy how they work it all out, isn't it?
3 months autumn, 3 months winter, 3 and 3, isn't it? It's all 3 and 3 all the way.
3 and 3, isn't it?
Yeah, oh well guys, still a bit confused with all that. Anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow for Wednesday.
See
Bye
you
guys.
tomorrow. Bye.
Bye guys. Said Sammy bye.